Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your name on Patreon's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your name on Patreon, firstly go ahead and launch open your Patreon application. The home page of Patreon application will appear on the screen. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the pop-up, click on three dots and then tap on Edit Profile option. On the next page, edit your name and click on tickmark icon. This is how you can change your name on Patreon's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.